So we already hooked the gauges up on the system. We about to go ahead and turn it off and get started. Check that error code on the system. See what's going on. Do a maintenance. Doing maintenance on this maybe about 4-year-old system that we installed. Hyperion in the attic. Plastic cabinet train with some new ductwork. Just check everything, make sure everything's still good and intact. We're in here getting this thing unbuttoned. About to take a look inside of this variable speed unit. Take a look, see if anything's going inside. We put it in, so more than likely nothing's growing inside, because everything's sized right. Like I said, we maintain it, so no mold. It's like 4 years in the attic. Nothing but water. Just finished flushing the drain, took all the panels off, checked the inside, sanitized the coil, the blower. So we're gonna put the fan on, check the safety switches, make sure all the safety switches are working good. Julio's just taking back up the Armorflex now, making sure it's good. It's a nice size attic. We won't have to lay on our stomach now. Julio doing a double check, making sure we don't leave no screws, nothing in the pan. Make sure our unit's not leaking, dripping any water. So we're gonna come back up, prime our drain, going outside to check our outside condenser now. So we're about to go ahead and check this condenser here. Disconnect it, pull it out. So we have us maintenance with the variable speed drive here. So not too much to check out here. We are gonna put the disconnect back in and make sure it's getting voltage, DC voltage. Yeah, we're gonna dust it off in here a little bit. Make sure all my wiring knots connected good. But no capacitor to check on this unit. Also, we were getting the error code. From prior experience, that error code usually goes with the suction sensor. So I'm going to check the suction sensor, see if it's disconnected anywhere up in here, see if it's disconnected somewhere in this panel, see if we could clear that error code. If not, then we'll have to come back and replace this sensor right here, if you can see. So I'm going to check that out now. So we're gonna give these a extra twist, make sure they're on tight and good. Add some electric tape to this. Clean this out a little bit. Get all these spider webs and everything, leaves out. Same time, make sure you're not nipping no wires. We're gonna add some electric tape now. Make sure our armor flex still intact. Armor flex still nice and good. Put these in a zip tie, make sure they sit nice. Make sure nothing could get up in my wire knot. Some extra spare. Got this thing dusted off. Wire knot zip tied up nice and clean. Low voltage zip tie. We're gonna get this push back up in here. Close our electrical panel. Get it turned on.